Hello lovely people and welcome to my channel. No, seriously, I am full of good vibes. I mean, I'm always full of good vibes because God bless, everything is good. Got a roof over my head and I eat food and I've got a beautiful family, but I am hyped because I made it into the top 30. I made it into the top 30 Nyx Face Awards, and you guys know that I definitely thought that I was not gonna make it, but I made it! And I'm so wrapped, and yeah, I was definitely shocked, and when it happened I was like screaming and jumping on, you know, beds and whatnot. So we are in phase 2 now. So we just got our challenge and it is avant-garde, and I am shitting my dacks because, like you guys know, I don't do creative makeup. But I stepped out of my comfort zone back then and I had a ball, and I'm going to step out of my comfort zone again and I'm going to give it a go. I'm wrapped just to be here. I'm wrapped to be in the top 30, and the amount of love and support I got from everybody was just absolutely overwhelming and just beautiful. And I thank every single one of you guys that have supported me, have mentioned me in, you know, your stories or in posts or whatever it is, your comments under my photo. They're all appreciated and I thank you guys so much. Let's just get started. You guys know that I can talk for days and for days. I'm excited, so we just talk and talk. Anyway, so today I received my top 30 Nyx box, and it is this one here, and I couldn't help myself. I just had to open the top. I'm just excited to open it with you guys and do an unboxing and see what beautiful Nyx has sent me. So they sent this for all the top 30. I'm like so excited. I'm so freaking pumped, and let's get started. Alright, so first we have a whole lot of this going on. I'm gonna go for the biggest box here. Oh, I'm actually wearing one of these right now. So we've got a soft matte lip cream Vault 2. I think I'm wearing the first one, the first shade here. Oh my god, it is so cute. The Singapore looks amazing. The Las Vegas looks amazing. Do I have those in here? I do. Oh my god, look at the back, guys. It is just, I mean, seriously, how beautiful is that green? And this red, which is right next to it, that is stunning. I cannot wait to give these a go. So this is awesome. I don't know how many is in here. How many do we get? Look, I'm not good at maths, so I'm not even going to try and multiply it by 3 because it's just not going to happen. That already looks too much for me. Alright, next we are going in with, oh, we get the lipstick sweat. Yes, this is cool. Oh, they've got some beautiful shades. I cannot wait. Guys, these are beautiful. A little note. Oh, I forgot the little note. Oh, hello. Oh, this just makes it all so much more real. This is cool. Okay, so you get the mattes versus the metals, and they're the metals and they're the mattes. And I used the Cosmic Metal one for my first look. It's not in here, which is good because then I get more. You know. Go to goodies. You get an eyeshadow, you get an eyeshadow pack. Oh my god, it's late, I can't talk. Okay, you get an eyeshadow, why can't I say it? An eyeshadow palette, goodness sake. A lip liner and a matte lipstick. And this girl knows her work. Oh yeah, she's working it. We get a Priceline gift card that is now valid for 3 years because I don't even use my gift cards on time, so that is great. And this is for $100. Thank you, Priceline. Oh, my mom's gonna love this. We get Garnier Skin Active BB cream. My mom's obsessed with BB creams. I'm not so much a big fan of BB cream. I either wear makeup or I don't wear makeup. There is no in between for me. So yes, but Madre would love this. Oh, we get skin masks. I love their skin masks. Like, I've really tried a few and I really like them. So I've actually got this one in my drawer due to give it a go. This one I have tried and I really like. And then we get another one of the first one, is that right? Pure charcoal? Yeah, we get another one of the pure charcoal. And then we also got the Hydro Bomb. I've tried this one as well. And then there's this one as well. That is so cool, thank you. I feel like it's Christmas. Alright, okay. Ooh! What is this? Redken 5th Avenue, New York City. This is super strength hairspray. Yes, I need something I've been wanting to try for ages and I just haven't gotten around to it, and I'm so rapt that I got it because now it means I can try it. It is the Garnier Skin Active, Pure Active, Intense 3-in-1 Charcoal Anti-Blackhead Wash, Scrub and Mask. Alright, and this is from Redken again. This is a treatment for all textures. What is this? I like treatments, y'all. I just had a quick read of it, and this is a treatment and it does 25 different things. So yeah, this is like a leave-in conditioner, I believe, but you're supposed to wash it out. Oh, this is interesting. Okay, interested to try this. And then we get the Garnier Skin Active, Pure Active, Intensive Anti-Blackhead Charcoal Exfoliating Gel. And we get more goodies from Nyx. Hello, and this is the box. It's empty. Alrighty, let's get to it. Yes, I have always wanted this. This is the NYX Avant Pop. This is the eyeshadow palette. So these illuminating sticks, I will be very interested to try these out. We've got them in all these different colours. Interesting, very interesting. So there's more, and there's these ones here as well. So they're all the different colours. I'm gonna actually open one up and just give it a quick swatch. There you go, I found another one as well. This one's called In Pink Dust. Let's give this one a swatch. Ooh, they look cute. Oh my god, that is so pigmented. Like, I literally just... That is cute. You can actually use that as blush. Okay, I do not have this. I was going to buy this. This is awesome. This is the Skin Perfecting Primer. Okay, and then these are all of our metallic mattes. NYX Liquid Suede Metallic Mattes. So that is everything. So I'm so wrapped and so excited. I cannot believe they just sent all of that to us, and I'm excited to start working on my next theme and see what else I can create. I went shopping the other day and I've changed my mind about 30,000 times, but we'll just see what happens. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this little video of me unboxing them. Was very excited, still am very excited. I'm very pumped, and let's just go get it. Alright guys, see you later. Bye.